Hi guys, so I started doubling into Zara perfumes and honestly I'm really enjoying it. I've slowly built my little collection. So far I have three. The first one is Tender Magnolia Day Collection '09. Nabili ko tong dalawa na to for like 1.5. Parang sale siya last December 2025. Yep. Nakaisang taon din 'to sa akin pero nakikita niyo naman, sobrang madami pa rin siyang laman actually. Ito yung gusto ko sa perfume na 'to, sobrang tipid niya. I mean, hindi mo na kailangang madaming wisik. So, itong Tender Magnolia, soft and delicate siya. It's like a fresh spring, super romantic and, comforting. Makes you feel light and happy. Parang gano'n ang atake niya. Yung Oriental Day naman, warm, cozy, with a subtle hint of spice, ganon. I love wearing this when I want like a gentle hug in a bottle, like sensual, but still everyday friendly, huh? Um, this one naman is yung latest ko, yung Fields at Nightfall Intense. Actually, nabasa ko siya sa isa sa mga comments kasi mahilig talaga ako sa perfumes. Yung mga perfumes ko before, yung mga Victoria's Secret, mga gano'n. And then, may nabasa ako dun na talagang daming comments na Zara, 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 gano'n. So, tinry ko muna siya dito. And then, nagkaroon ako ng, etong last December, yung close friend ko, nagkaroon kami ng parang, gift giving. So, may wish list kami and ito yung nilagay ko sa wish list ko, yung Fields at Nightfall Intense. Kasi ito yung maraming nakita kong comments na must try. So, yun, binigay naman ng ating generous friend. Thank you very much. Itong ano nito, oh my gosh, this one is deep, moody, mysterious, ganon ang atake niya. Perfect siya for evenings or, when I just want to feel like a little more dramatic, ganon. I'm really enjoying discovering my favorites slowly and honestly, it's kind of, exciting building my collection step by step kasi medyo hindi ganun. If sa iba mura, pero para sa akin mahal na yung 1.5 or, 1K for a perfume, especially na work from home tayo, nasa bahay lang. But, yep, bihira ko lang 'tong gamitin, like if lalabas lang talaga ako kaya inabot din siya ng 1 year. And yeah, can't wait to get more and share them, with you all.